Hello. This might not be a message you're ready to hear, but it's one you already know. And I'm just the vessel today. The oracle is speaking, and she says, you're supposed to write the book. Not someday, not when you finally clear your calendar, not once your business hits a certain revenue number, not after you've figured out every single chapter and mapped it all perfectly in a spreadsheet. You're meant to write it now. And don't worry, I get it. You've got a lot going on. People depend on you. You're building, you're leading, you're launching. But in the quiet moments, the ones no one sees, the book calls you. You hear it, don't you? In the car, in the shower, at 3 a.m. when you're wide awake with that feeling in your chest that something wants to come through. You keep calling it a nice idea. The oracle says it's not a nice idea, it's a sacred assignment. You're not being asked to write this book because it'll grow your list or boost your brand, though it might do both. You're being asked to write it because this is something that only you can say, the way only you can say it. You're being asked to trust that voice. Your story, your wisdom are not just valuable, they are necessary. Necessary for someone you haven't even met yet. Necessary for you, the future version of who's waiting on the other side of the page. Now, the oracle isn't here to push you. She's not here to add one more thing to your already full plate. She's simply here to remind you you already know it's time. And when you're ready, truly ready, not to push or force, but to honor what's been calling you for a long, long time, I'll be here. This is the work I do. I walk with women like you, visionary, established entrepreneurs who are ready to birth the book they've been carrying inside. You don't have to do it alone, but you do have to say yes. Whenever you're ready, the oracle has spoken. If this message landed for you, comment I hear her below. Or DM me the word book and we'll talk about what's been whispering to you. Have a lovely day.